guys, happy Friday. It's Lee Helena and I am back. So I'm finally here with another video. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I haven't posted in a hot minute. I think it's May. I think May was the last time I posted. I'm pretty sure it was May. Or April? Whatever. It's been a while. And you guys, this year, you guys live on the same planet, so you know how crazy this year has been. So, but it's been really chaotic for us, and I didn't have time. I couldn't do it. So we're at a point right now where I actually have me time and some time to do nails and stuff like that and create some content. So I'll be getting back on my regular schedule hopefully here soon. So thank you guys for sticking by for these past several months that I took a hiatus unwillingly. So this set right here, this set is a set of Christmas nails that I had always wanted to do. I've always wanted the red, just the red and white nails, nothing too colorful, but just clean. And I really like how this set turned out. I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. I'm trying to do this thing, the whole freestyle thing that some of you guys do that I can't do, but I've mentioned it in my videos before that I have to like literally plan things out. Like I have to plan out the whole design before I start, and that actually keeps me from doing content, from recording, because I can't think of anything. So for the past couple of sets that I've done, I've just been winging it. And I've been pleasantly surprised. So, this is just me winging it. I literally had no idea. I just got the colors out that I wanted to use and then just started, finger by finger trying to figure out what to do. So, I do use this right here. This is a glitter mix that I made myself. It's just literally just silver glitter, chunky glitters, just all different sizes put together. And the Milky White is from Glam and Glits, which I absolutely love. And then the decals that I'll be using are on an Aliexpress haul video that I'll post the link to that video in here so that way you guys can see it. But I've been wanting to I didn't get to use these last year, so I'm using them this year, and I'm really excited how this set turned out. So I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. So just as an update, so the reason why I had to take an impromptu hiatus is because not just because of COVID and everything. Well, that was the main reason. I ain't even gonna lie. So the whole school being at home and none of us knew what the hell was going on. And then summer, and then we were going crazy. But at the same time, we had actually my husband and I were looking for a house. So we actually started our house. I put us on a 5-year plan. And we've been living in our home right now for 12 years. And we need more space. So I put us on a 5-year plan in December. I'm like, by 2025, I want to be in our home, in our new home. And so we went balls to the wall in January, and we were looking for homes and looking at builders and buying land and things like that. And so then COVID hit, and we hit a snag, but at the same time we kept going. So it's just been really difficult and hectic and everything. In the end, we decided to build and not buy. And so right now it's, November, and our home is almost done. We should be closing right before Christmas. So it's going to be an awesome Christmas. So we're super excited about that. But now everything's died down, all the craziness of life and everything. So now we're actually, getting into more of a routine. Like, yes, it's freaking November, and now we're getting into a routine, right? It's freaking nuts. So it's just, there's so many things that were changing, and so it just took that long. But anyway, so I'll be back with making more content. I do have some videos already recorded, so I just need to do some editing. I did some batch recording last week, so that way I can get, a head start. And then I did notice that I had some videos already from back in April that I never even posted. So you have some of those coming too. So, but I'm hopefully gonna get back on my schedule of, posting once or twice, at least once a week. Was I posting once a week? I think I was posting twice a week. Y'all, I don't even freaking remember. I think I was posting twice a week. Yeah, I was posting twice a week, right? Anyway, so I'm going to get back to posting twice a week, and giving you guys some great content on here and on IG. And I'm thinking about doing TikTok, but I know TikTok is like a big deal. I just can't. That's just another thing to keep track of, guys. I don't know. Anyway, I know I could just post whatever I post on Instagram. I could just post on TikTok, right? Like it's the same crap. Anyway, so these are the decals that are so cute and that I've been wanting to use for forever. And when I had first got them, I was gonna do them in July, do a Christmas set in July just so I could use them, like Christmas in July type theme. And it just didn't work because I wasn't. Life happened, so the set, like as you see right there in the corner, there's like little Christmas trees on the sheet and everything. It's super cute, super cute. So this right here, this finger, I've been big into color blocking the past couple manicures, the past couple sets. So I've been practicing my color blocking. I didn't file this to get a crisp line because I'm actually going to be covering it up. So, but normally if you were to, if you were going to be showing that line and not covering it up, you want to make sure you file it to make it crisp. We're using an X-Acto knife. One of the things I did notice though is that the red was bleeding into the white. So the white actually isn't as crisp as I wanted it to be because it had some pink on it. It looked a little bit pinkish from the red, but it still turned out cute. It's still okay. So it's funny, these stripes right here, right when I went to put them on, I'm like, crap! I was supposed to put this on before I encapsulated everything. I meant to put these on just like I put on the reindeer and the candy cane, and so that way I could encapsulate it, and I just completely forgot. See, guys, this is why I have to plan everything out in advance, because crap happens and then I forget, and I was supposed to do something, I have a plan, and then I feel like I messed up just because that one thing didn't happen. Now, it didn't happen here. Like, they didn't mess up. Like, they still turned out super cute. I'm just saying. I didn't get the satisfaction that I wanted because it didn't go the way that I had planned. So, again, type A personality. Anyway, so, but it still turned out super cute, and considering that these are just, these nails are on Luna and they're not on me, I don't have to worry about, the striping falling off or anything. But I wasn't too careful on making sure that there wasn't any overhang. When you do stripes, striping tape, you always want to make sure that you cut it a little bit above the free edge, so that way it's completely capped in the top gel so it doesn't come off. I didn't worry too much about it because, I'm not going to be wearing these. So, and this is the top coat. These are so cute. I love these reindeer. These are so cute. Right now, as you can see, I have a fall set on, and I'm so definitely going to have to do some Christmas set with these stickers because I absolutely love them. And you see my middle finger right there, the one that's not colored? I'm pretty impressed on how that looks. So that's actually partially my real nail, partially not. Like, my real nail is like a millimeter shorter than that. But it was filed too thin. So I had to bulk it up on either side of the free edge. So I actually made my own acrylic that looks like natural free edge nail. And I must say that in person it doesn't look as great as it does on camera. Anyway, but these are the final nails. Aren't they beautiful? They're so cute. And they're not too much. They're clean. I mean, I love the bling. I love bling just like anybody else, but I wanted these to be a little bit cleaner and a little bit less like blingy, I guess. But it still has some because of the glitter. But these are so cute. I absolutely love the way that they turned out. Oh, and in case you're wondering, well, you probably not actually, but I'm going to tell you anyway. So, you know what I'm using as a backdrop for Luna right now? What she's sitting on? Paint rollers. Guys, I'm using two paint rollers right next to each other. They're fluffy and they're white. And they were here. So, you see? It's a paint roller. Just in case you guys have random paint rollers lying around and you want to use them as, a stand. So, that's it, guys. That's my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys really like the design. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on IG. Let me know if I should do TikTok. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to tell me yes. But just, let me know and I'll look into it. And that's it for me, the Queen Bee. Bye.